Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Buds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing is go to your Bluetooth settings on your Apple computer. You can go to tap on the Apple logo, top left-hand side, and just go down to System Settings. From here, go ahead and select on Bluetooth. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on, okay? Now see this little spinny thing right there? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up down here. Okay, so we got to put these in a pairing mode. So both the buds are in here. Let me open up the case here. Now you'll know it's in pairing mode if both of these are blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay? Yeah, you can see. Now this is the way it should be. Okay, so now it's in pairing mode. All right, it did find it. Okay? So now if yours is not blinking like this, then you may be paired to another device, another phone or whatnot. You need to go to the other device and you need to turn off Bluetooth, disconnect the Bluetooth, or just delete these headphones from that device, or you can reset these to put these in pairing mode. Okay, anyway, it's in pairing mode here. It did find it, so I'm going to go down here. I'm going to tap on connect, the JBL Tune Buds right there. And voila, now you can see that we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you couldn't put it into pairing mode, or you had issues connecting or pairing, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.